As a home buyer, it's critical to find the right agent who has the market knowledge, the systems in place, and negotiating experience to ensure a smooth purchase with no hassles. But how do you do this when there's over 12,000 different agents to choose from and you're unfamiliar with the process and resources needed to make things go smoothly? Essentially, you're making one of the largest purchases of your lives blindly. Hi, I'm Chris Downey with Keller Williams Realty, KW Metro Center. I'm a full-time realtor that works with buyers to achieve their home ownership dreams. We know that people buy or sell real estate only one time every 7 to 10 years. So I've created a comprehensive set of videos to help you understand the home buying process that can be accessed from the comfort and convenience of your own home. In addition, I've established relationships with the best resources such as lenders, home inspectors, title companies, insurance agents, attorneys, and contractors to make sure things go smoothly before, during, and even after the transaction. On the average, there's an 87% turnover rate with agents every 5 years. And I'm glad to say I'm one of the 13% that's completely dedicated to the industry. I know how to interpret the local market data to produce compelling offers and negotiate the right terms so that my clients get the home they want at a fair price. I look forward to making your home purchase a wonderful, fulfilling experience. To talk to me about your real estate goals or how to get the right home at a fair price, reach out to me by clicking into the Contact Us area, or you can get me directly by calling or texting 571-228-4159. Thanks, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.